the human mind is incredibly powerful. It controls how we feel, react, and perceive the world around us. But the truth is, most of us go through life letting our minds control us instead of the other way around. Thoughts can come uninvited, stirring up stress, anxiety, and confusion. The good news is that you can train your mind just like any muscle in your body. The first step is becoming aware of your thoughts. You can't change what you're not aware of. Take a moment to notice. What's going through your mind right now? Are your thoughts serving you, or are they creating unnecessary worry or distraction? One of the best tools to help control your mind is mindfulness. Mindfulness is simply the practice of staying present, fully aware of the current moment without judgment. When you practice mindfulness, you're able to observe your thoughts from a distance, without becoming emotionally attached to them. Start by dedicating just a few minutes each day to mindful breathing or meditation. Sit in a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. When your mind starts to wander, and it will, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This simple practice trains your brain to let go of distractions and return to the present. Our minds have a tendency to focus on the negative, but you can take control by reframing those negative thoughts. When a negative thought arises, ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or assumptions? Does this thought help me or hurt me? Challenge those thoughts with a more positive or realistic perspective. Instead of thinking, I'm going to fail, replace it with, I've faced challenges before, and I can overcome this too. This shift in perspective not only controls your mind but also boosts your confidence and resilience. Another way to regain control of your mind is through the practice of gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what you already have. By consciously acknowledging the good in your life, you rewire your brain to focus on positivity rather than problems. At the end of each day, take a few moments to write down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. Over time, this practice trains your mind to seek out the positive in any situation, helping you stay grounded and in control. Lastly, setting clear intentions helps guide your mind throughout the day. When you wake up each morning, decide what kind of mindset you want to carry with you. Whether it's calm, focus, or positivity, set that intention and remind yourself of it whenever your mind begins to wander or negative thoughts arise. You can also set specific intentions for different parts of your day. For example, before starting work, set the intention to stay focused and avoid distractions. Before a conversation with a friend, set the intention to be present and listen fully. These small mental cues can help you stay in control of your thoughts, no matter what the day brings. Controlling your mind isn't about eliminating thoughts or emotions. It's about understanding them, guiding them, and not letting them take control of you. With mindfulness, reframing negative thoughts, practicing gratitude, and setting clear intentions, you can develop the mental strength needed to stay calm and focused, even in the most chaotic of times. Remember, the journey to mastering your mind takes practice. Be patient with yourself. With time and effort, you'll find that inner peace and control that you've been searching for.